Woo! Hey everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live, guys. Get ready, get ready. We got the CPI data coming out in just a couple hours, guys. So brace for impact. We could be seeing the markets go down, down. Remember, everything you see here is not financial advice. It's just OG in-house expressing the opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. You guys knew that. So let's jump into the content. We're going to talk about Dogecoin. We're going to talk about the impact, the huge impact, the crater, the crypto crater that's coming. We could be seeing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the Doge wars are going down as low as 5% if the CPI data comes in down. I don't want that. You don't want that. So let's get it, guys. So right now, if we take a look at the pre-markets in the house, we're seeing that the pre-markets are looking pretty good out there. Yesterday we saw that all the U.S. markets tank. We saw that the Nasdaq was down almost 3%. OMG! But even though the Nasdaq was down 3%, almost 3%, we did see that Bitcoin did pretty good and fared pretty well overall, guys. So you can see it right here. Let me just pull that up. We can see that yesterday, right now Bitcoin is trading around about $30,000 in the house, ladies and gentlemen. So that's not too bad, considering that yesterday we saw that Bitcoin went down only about 1.5%, but the broader markets went down 3%. So from that perspective, it's looking pretty good. So let's just pull up the heat map in the house. So the heat map in the house. So right now, at time of recording, we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is down around about 1.52%. We're seeing Ethereum is down 2%. So get ready for the big, huge impact, guys. We could be seeing a huge crater in the crypto market, guys. So that's what's going on right now from that perspective. And if you take a look at the fear and greed right now, the fear and greed, it did come up from yesterday. It's at 13 right now. Yesterday it was at 11. So we did go up. So remember, sentiment often leads in the price, guys. So we could be seeing after this huge CPI data. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that the OG is wrong and that we don't get a huge crater, huge impact of doom, because right now we're seeing that the total CPI data that's coming out at 8:30. Let me just pull that up for you. So the CPI data, it's coming out at 8:30, and they're anticipating out there 8.2%. So if we see that the inflation data goes lower than 8.2%, so we're going to be looking very, very good. We're going to be looking peachy keen, and then the markets will boom explode to the moon, and we should have a huge liftoff. But guys and gals, get ready, because we could be seeing a huge impact. We could be seeing Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies tank 5%. So from that perspective, you guys have to brace for impact, guys. Brace for impact. And we just have to see what's going on. Hey, also Dogecoin is in big trouble right now. We can see that Watch Your Guru, they just kind of broke the story right now. And Watch Your Guru kind of said that right now we're seeing that it looks like Dogecoin out there. Dogecoin out there, it looks like he embezzled $80 million, and he took $80 million about 1 month before the Luna crash, guys. So it looks like the Korean authorities are closing in on him. And if that is true, I mean, did he take out that $80 million to pay the taxes out there, or did he just use that to line his own pockets? Something else that's also coming out as well, we can see that this is also coming out as well. Looks like according to a Korean news story, it looks like that Terra Labs are being investigated for stealing 80 Bitcoin. So right there, we can see that 80 Bitcoin got stolen from Terra Labs, and that's about 2.4 million. Now they haven't said who did it, but I can probably guess if it smells like a duck, quacks like a duck, it's probably Dogecoin in the house, guys. So from that perspective, you just have to watch out. It could have been the Dogecoiner out there. So hopefully he didn't do that, because he's going to be in deep dark doo-doo if he does that, and he could be in trouble, guys. Also, some good news coming out for VeChain. Looks like VeChain soars 10%. As it has signed up with UFC deal, guys. So it looks like VeChain is in partnership with UFC. So once you watch the UFC, you're going to be seeing in the octagon, you're going to be seeing the VeChain logo. You're going to be seeing on the shorts and the gloves some VeChain logos out there. So that is pretty good. So you can see here that VeChain soars around about 10%, guys. 10%. Let's get it, guys. So that is looking pretty good, and that's so exciting out there. So at least we're seeing something going up, guys. So that is pretty positive in the house. So other stuff that's coming in, you can see that right now that the Dogecoin market cap has plunged almost 6 billion, guys. It's in 6 billion in May. We saw the Dogecoin market cap go down, down. So, Doge is not looking good. Doge has been taking a huge nap, and we need the Doge to get going. And, I'm just kind of scratching my head right now, because I have not, and we have not seen anything from Elon Musk when it comes to Dogecoin. So I'm like wondering, what is Elon Musk doing? Is he not, doesn't he care about Dogecoin anymore? Has he forgotten about the beloved Dogecoin anymore? So Elon Musk, if you're watching this, brother, you've got to do something. We need a tweet from you, or at least a confirmation for the Doge X1 mission to the moon, guys. We need some kind of confirmation out there from Doge X mission to the moon. So we're waiting on that, guys, waiting on that. So let's take a look at the Dogecoin price right now. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin right now, we're seeing right now for the price of Dogecoin right now is at 8 cents, and it has not done anything. It's been just going, you know, it's been kind of since the 12th of May, it's just been going in this whole sideways action, guys. It is boring. I'm falling asleep. I need a pillow, guys. I need a pillow to put my head down, because I'm just so bored right now with crypto, Dogecoin. Everything is looking like poo-push schmatter in the house, guys. So also, this is kind of coming in, and I'm kind of a bit of alarmed out there. Let me just blow this up. It looks like the third biggest Bitcoin wallet out there. You can see that the third biggest Bitcoin wallet out there has just sold 500 Bitcoin, and that was worth about $15 million. $15 million have been sold by the Bitcoin, third largest whale out there. So this is the wallet that's holding the third largest amount of Bitcoin out there. So I'm concerned, guys. I'm concerned. I think that and they sold this Bitcoin, as you can see here. They sold it at $30,125. So I have a feeling that, remember I talked about in my previous video that Walter Bloomberg did leak it out that the White House expects that the CPI data to be bad, and I think that he sold this preemptively because he knows that Bitcoin is going to be going down, and he's going to take that $15 million. He's going to buy back into Bitcoin. He's going to DCA like a crazy person out there. He's going to take $15 million and he's going to buy back the same Bitcoin. So that was about 500 Bitcoin. He's going to buy back the 500 Bitcoin cheaper than he sold it. So I think that is what that is all about, guys. So it's right here. I'm not making that stuff up. This is true stuff, guys. So it is right there. I'm not making this stuff up. Other stuff that's coming in right now. Let's take a look at Ethereum price, guys. So right now we're seeing Ethereum as well is at 1775 in the house, and it's also going sideways. Everything's just taking a nappity nap. But don't be surprised, guys. Don't be surprised if we have this huge tankety tank. You can see here on the heat map, everything's looking pretty gnarly out there, guys. Pretty gnarly out there. So get ready for that one. It is not going to be good in the house. If we do have a bad CPI data, you guys have to brace for impact out there. So that is going to be kind of not a good time. But like I said yesterday, I am absolutely did not DCA yesterday, which was Thursday here in Vietnam, because I'm waiting. Absolutely waiting for the CPI data to come out, because I also believe, like the third biggest Bitcoin whale out there, that we're going to be seeing a tankety tank. We could be seeing a -5 to 6, even as low as 10%. Boom, impact, guys. And we could be seeing even Bitcoin and the whole crypto market shed 10% if the data is really bad. So I'm absolutely hoping that the data is not really bad out there and things are going to be going uppity up, guys. I'm praying for that, but I've just got to let you guys know, let the peeps know that you guys have to brace for impact. If you're loving this content, this casual kind of content, smash the likes, boot the likes, and show some love. For Doge, I'm on fire, guys. It's a great time to be alive. Other stuff that's coming in right now, we can see right here that looks like Cardano is setting itself up for a breakout right now. So that's pretty good. And today, I got to tell you the truth, guys. I got to tell you something. I got to be honest with you guys. Remember I told you that, I had a whole bunch of Luna. I sold most of it, but I did get a whole airdrop of the Luna tuna. I sold all of my Luna 2.0. I sold all of my Luna Classic. I got out of there because I just don't want to stay in this stinky head cryptocurrency project anymore. So what I did is I aped in to Bitcoin. So I took all of my Luna, the Classic, and the Luna Genesis 2.0, and I sold it all. I bought ADA because I really think that ADA is setting itself up for a huge breakout out there. And you can see right here, guys, it's a huge setup out there. And I think that we're going to be seeing a huge liftoff right now coming soon, guys. And this is coming in from BTC Fuel. And if he thinks it's going to be a liftoff, I think his TA is pretty good, guys. So, we're seeing that, Bitcoin right now, we're seeing that the miners right now are starting to sell a little bit of their Bitcoin. So that gives me some, that gives me some alarm out there, because the miners are starting to sell a little bit of the Bitcoin. So I'm a little bit alarmed out there. If you take a look at the total hash rate, though, the mining hash rate is still going up, guys. So we're getting some mixed signals that the miners are starting to sell. But remember, the cost of mining one Bitcoin is about $21,000. So I think we're still okay. but we're seeing some of the miners are starting to sell a little bit. And if we have this huge tankety tank, brace for impact, we could be seeing more miners, selling. So we could be seeing that we could even see a drop to like 26.5, guys, in the next couple hours. So guys and gals, get ready, brace for impact, buckle up. But remember, if you got some cash on the side, you can DCA and buy the dippy dips, the double dips with chocolate on top, guys. So you can actually buy those dips and go to the moon, guys. So this is kind of fantastic. So this is also coming, it looks like Deloitte 2 survey says 93% of all businesses want to accept crypto, love to accept crypto, and they're just working out all of the regulatory framework out there. And those companies, 93% of those companies that did accept crypto as payment, they have said that they've increased their user and customer base. So that is fantastic news. So that is a huge catalyst out there that we should be actually accepting crypto. And this is just a financial freedom, the financial revolution. And we're just at the cusp, guys. And we've got this new regulation that's coming out soon, the new regulatory bill that divides cryptocurrency into commodities and securities. We've already got confirmation out there that Bitcoin and Ethereum are commodities out there, and some other altcoins, guys. So we know that the Commodities Exchange Commission, they are less regulatory, not like Gary Gensler in the house. Gary Gensler, he loves to regulate stuff, and he loves to go nut in the house, and he loves to over-regulate stuff and give everybody a headache, guys. So that is what that's all about, guys. So let's take a look at the S&P. As you can see, yesterday the S&P tank yesterday, almost down 3%. So that is not good. But even though the S&P tanked yesterday 3%, we saw that Bitcoin was only off slightly, only about 1%. So you can just see the goodness, the strength of Bitcoin compared to the broader market. So that is pretty good. If you take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now, Bitcoin on the weekly, ladies and gentlemen out there, Bitcoin is still looking pretty good. We are still, from the weekly candle, still in the green, and we still got 2 days and about 11 hours left on the weekly candle, guys. I think we're going to get it. You think we're going to get it. We're going to get it. So that is fantastic news in the house, guys. We're still seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is still too high. It's at about 47% in the house, guys. So that definitely needs to come down because if we're going to have the altcoins have any chance of going up, we need the Bitcoin dominance to go down. But everybody has been selling the altcoins, selling all the projects, and moving all the liquidity into BTC, guys, and that's why we're seeing that happen. And we're seeing that the DXY, OMG, the DXY has hit 103 out there. So that is not good. That is not good. We need the DXY to go down because, historically when the DXY goes down, down, that means that Bitcoin is going to take off and have a chance to breathe, guys. So we need that to go down. Wow, 103. Wow. We definitely need to get that to be going down, guys. So let's take a look at the leverage apes in the house. So right now we have about $104 million worth of leverage apes. That's about 51,000 traders in the house have got wreck. Those apes, they never learn. And right now we're seeing that on the hourly right now. Gotta look at a computer screen, is that we're seeing it's all longs, guys. All longs. We're seeing a lot of longs out there. So the longs are going to be indicative of Bitcoin price falling down. So brace for impact, guys. Absolutely brace for impact. Don't forget to smash the like, boop the likes, and show some love in the house, guys. I would appreciate it. Let's take a look at the ADA chart right now. So the ADA chart did drop down. We were making higher lows, but looks like we've invalidated that pattern right now, and ADA has gone down, down. But I think we're going to get a recovery. And I think like long-term, ADA is absolutely a huge pickup, guys, and I've been buying ADA like a bad man, guys. I've actually been buying up ADA. This is not financial advice. Boot the likes, comment, guys. Do you like this format? Do you like this casual? Comment. The OG is on fire. And guys, get ready, brace for impact. If you got your seatbelts on, you better double those guys up because when the CPI data comes out and it comes out bad, we're going to be tanky. Let's take a look at total market cap right now. So the total market cap right now is about 125 trillion in the house, and we're seeing that the volumes are low because what everybody is waiting for the CPI data. Like me, I am not doing any trade, I'm not doing any buying, I'm waiting for the CPI data to be confirmed in the house, guys, before I do anything crazy out there. And let's take a look at the total let's take a look at the coins in the house. So basically it's a day of slaughter out there. We're seeing all the coins are down. We're seeing Bitcoin is down 2%. We're seeing Ethereum is down 2% right now. We're absolutely seeing that right now we're seeing everything is down. BNB is down. Everything is down. ADA is down 6.5%. OMG. We're seeing that the Doge right now is down 3.2% for the Doge, guys. OMG. Come on, Doge. We need to get Doge going. The Dottie Watt is down. So we're seeing that overall the markets are looking pretty sad, pretty thankful out there, and it's carnage, it's blood in the streets, guys. And get ready, brace for impact, guys, because we're going to see some more downage if the CPI data comes out negatively. I'm hoping that the CPI data will come in like 7.9, 7.8%, and then you're going to see the markets take off. You're going to see Bitcoin take off, and we're going to have a huge relief rally, and that's what we've all been waiting for. We want the relief rally, guys. We absolutely want it. We need it. But based on the White House leak from Walter Bloomberg and House, it's going to be not so good. It's going to be a terrible CPI data, and I believe that we could be coming in 8.5, 8.6, maybe even getting close to 9 out there, because we see that the UK has also said that the inflation rate has gone up. Gas is insane over there. It's like $8 a gallon in the UK. In America, gas is insane. Everything is insane, guys. It's just not a happy place to be alive right now. And definitely, we are definitely having inflation. I can't confirm we're getting in recession just yet, but definitely inflation is here, and it is crazy, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a close. Go down there, smash the likes, boot the likes. Go down there right now. Check out the linky link, guys. Become a Patreon member. Buy the channel coffee chair at the NFT collection. Get the merch, guys. Gear up on OG gear. You want it, I want it, guys. And don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, guys. If you've got nothing to do with your fingers, go doing one thing. Smash. Come on, guys. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. Peace out.